all? Hope you all are fine and studying well. Do you remember what we learned in the previous class? Yes, we learned about the different types of maps. Then, yes, uses of map. Then, yes, absolutely right, thematic map. Then, classification of map based on function. Yes, so you all remember these topics. Very good. So today, let's learn about the classification of maps based on scale. Let's begin our class. Classification of maps based on scale. Maps. Small scale maps and large scale map. Example for small scale maps. Atlas maps and wall maps. Example for large scale maps. Cadastral maps and topographical maps. Now, let's discuss small scale map. Students, if larger areas such as the world, continents, countries and states are to be depicted in a small sheet of paper, only a little information can be incorporated into it. Maps showing only the important information of larger areas are called small scale maps. Students, now let's move on to large scale map. If the area to be depicted is a comparatively small region like a ward or village, more information can be incorporated in it. Maps representing detailed information of a small area are called large scale maps. Students, here is an activity for you. Observe the given maps and find the small scale map and the large scale map. Children, look at this map. Which map is it? Yes, it is a world map. So, it's a small scale map. What about this map? Which map is it? Yes, absolutely correct. It's a village map. So, it is a large scale map. Now, look at this map. Which map is this? Yes, this is a continent map. So, it is a small scale map. What about this map? What is it? Very good. It's a ward map. So, it's a large scale map. Cadastral maps. The word cadastral is derived from the French word cadastre, which means register of territorial property. Cadastral maps are prepared to record the boundaries and ownership details of land properties such as fields, buildings, etc. These maps are used to assess the land tax and to indicate the ownership. Village map is an example. So students, what is cadastral maps? Cadastral maps are prepared to record the boundaries and ownership details of land properties such as fields, buildings, etc. These maps are used to assess the land tax and to indicate the ownership. Village map is an example. Students, now let's learn about topographical maps. Topographical maps. Topographical maps are prepared based on comprehensive land surveys. These maps show both natural and man-made features in detail. Detailed information on relief, topography, rivers, forests, agricultural lands, towns, means of transport and communication, settlements, etc. are included in topographical maps. So students, what is topographical maps? Topographical maps are prepared based on comprehensive land surveys. These maps show both natural and man-made features in detail. Detailed information on relief, topography, rivers, forests, agricultural lands, towns, means of transport and communication, settlements, etc. are included in topographical maps. Students, so what we learned today? Let's have a quick review. We'll learn classification of maps based on scale. Which are they? Yes, small scale map and large scale map. Then we learn cadastral maps and topographical maps. Excellent. Okay students, that's all for today. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the topics. Stay safe, learn well. Thank you.